Good afternoon, sir. So today I will be having the written demonstration for the thorax and the lungs. So to give some privacy to my patient, I will ask him. So good afternoon, sir. I am Nurse Excel. So do you feel safe with me, sir? So I will let you be comfortable with me. So I will be having 4 techniques, which is the palpation, the visible inspection, the percussion, and the auscultation. So let me ask you some questions, sir. In your family, is there someone who have cancer?
None.
Do you have asthma?
None.
Do you have tuberculosis?
None.
Do you sometimes feel some heartburn?
None.
How about difficulty of breathing, sir?
None.
The last one will be, do you take any medicine, sir?
None.
So, as per your answers, there is no problem. Okay. So next is I will ask my patient to change his position. As per my observation, the patient's thorax is symmetric. For me to see this abnormalities, I will ask my patient to stand up. So sir, can you please stand up? After that, let me observe the cervical, the thoracic, and the lumbar. As per my observation, the alignment of the spinal cord is good and doesn't have any abnormalities. Now, I will be palpating my patient's posterior thorax. The patient's thorax is normal and doesn't have any abnormalities, nor swelling and tenderness. It is indeed good. Next is that I'm now going to palpate the posterior chest of the patient. Sir, can you take a deep breath and then hold it and then exhale? Inhale, exhale. So as you can see, my hands are moving like this, which indicates that the patient chest doesn't have any abnormalities or any problem. The next one will be the chest for vocal. So whatever I say, sir, just repeat it. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2.
So it is normal. So I will now percuss the thorax and percuss the diaphragmatic excursion. The only thing you can do, sir, is to take a deep breath and hold it, and then, so I'm gonna do it now. So I have a marker here to note the negative breathing. So I will now measure the diaphragmatic excursion using a tape measure. So the measurement is 5 cm, which is the normal measurement for diaphragmatic excursion. So the next thing I will be doing is I'm going to auscultate the chest using the diaphragm of the stethoscope. So the findings is normal. So let us now proceed to the anterior thorax. So first, we need to inspect. As I can see, the patient is normally breathing. So the next thing to do is to inspect the costal angle, which is the rib going to the spine. So the costal angle is 90 degrees, which is basically normal. So next, I will now proceed to this for vocal by using these 2 hands. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So as you can see how my two hands move, which indicates normal. So the vocal premetus is normal. So this time I'm going to percuss the anterior chest systematically. So my findings is okay. I will now auscultate the patient's trachea.
Hanggang ito yung cellphone dito ah.
So my findings is there is no abnormalities. So this time I will now auscultate the anterior chest. So the findings is still okay and there is no abnormalities.